welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, laurafordesvideos too, so be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Okay, so these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to prepare our sardines. So here I have 3 tins of the sardines. These were sardines in the spring water. I have about 1/4 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning here, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, some salt to taste. I have 2 stalks of celery. I have half of a lime, some onion, tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, about 4 seasoned peppers. I have some spring onions here, and I have some parsley. So let's get to cutting up everything here. And of course, we're also going to be using some veganese, or you can use mayo, and of course some olive oil. So like I said, let's get started and cutting everything up.